Okay, so guys, here is some proof that I made like this edit because some random guy is going around saying I reposted it because I didn't add my watermark so I could post it on my other channels. Here is some proof for the keyframes and stuff. Yeah, maybe I might have overreacted when he said I reposted it and when he said it deserves less likes, but I am not apologizing until he does. It very painful editing pretty much all day since you came back from school just to make your viewers happy to be accused of reposting some stuff. There is a lesson to learn, kids. Never accuse without proof. Bye.